Okay, here's a video tip for those of you, and a picture tip too for that matter, for those of you that like creating pictures and video blogs and you want to just get an interesting lighting and an interesting perspective. You know how natural sunlight is the best sunlight, but it can also be the worst sunlight depending on the time of day in relationship to the angle of the sun, how it hits your face and the position of the camera. Well, in my personal opinion, I've done videos on this too in the past. If you have access to a sliding glass door, like this one, you could be on a trip somewhere, maybe you got one at your home, and you want to get the natural sunlight, but without all those problems that can happen from the natural sunlight, then consider using a sliding glass door as a prop, maybe even a window depending on the size of the window, its location, and all that stuff. And you can do one like this, like I'm doing. I'm shooting directly at the sliding glass window, and you see a cool silhouette, but you still got some color, and you got the background of a lot of beautiful stuff. So this is useful if you got a really cool backdrop back there. But then also, I'm not going to demonstrate this right now, but I could turn around and just put the camera directly on my face with this sliding glass door in the backdrop. And then that way, you got the benefit of the sun shining down on you, but then you've also got the backlight or the reflection of the sun off the sliding glass door, and you can see the backdrop of whatever pretty scenery that's happening behind you. So those are two different ways that if you want to do just for something different, and something that looks really interesting and beautiful, for you video vloggers out there who are looking for a cool place to just show something or teach something or demo something. So consider that, and even pictures too for that matter, some really interesting effects. We'll call it natural filters without the filters on your camera. It's kind of neat. So enjoy that, play with it. And my website, I have to plug it every time because I love it, TomBerkenmeyer.com. Just like it's spelled here. On social media, TomBerkenmeyer.com. It's mostly about natural healing and residual income, which protects you and your family. And I've got another, once in a while I'll do a tip about the quality of your camera for shooting video vlogs for people that like to do that. Obviously it's something I like doing. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye for now.